You guys need to start putting more respect on smartphone content creation. Hey, what's good people? Tech Jamo. Now, we out here with a new device from FULAIM. Big shout out to them for sponsoring the episode and sending me this device to have a little review. It's a wireless microphone for your USB-C enabled smartphones. So I'm not sure if it's going to work on iOS because obviously they got the lightning port thing going on there, but this is for you Samsung, Sony, LG, Huawei, all you Android guys. This is for you. This is for you and your content creation. So let's get this thing unboxed and see what's really good. Alright, so let's pre the box. Radio tip, smart connection, IIS data protocol. I don't even know what these things mean. Adaptive noise reduction. Oh, it's got a low cut filter. That should be good for cutting out lots of wind noise electronically. Built-in battery obviously, and 48 kilohertz. I guess that's the radio frequency or something like that. So it comes in a 2 set, I believe, but I think they told me they were sending me a 1 set. Anyway, there's some extra stuff on the back if you want to freeze the video and read that for you guys that know what half of this means. I'm just gonna unbox this now and let you know what the hell was that. Got some product instructions, clearly not even instructions, instructions. Now this on first glance must be the transmitter, and the low cut filter toggle is on the transmitter. That's very strange. So the person who's talking is the person that's going to be controlling their frequency and thing, but that's all cool, lovely jubbly. Then this is the receiver, right? So this is the USB Type-C receiver that goes into your smartphone, so you don't have to worry about getting a TRS to TRRS connector and then a USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter on top. You just plug this one piece of hardware into your smartphone and you enable that smartphone to connect wirelessly to this transmitter. So yeah, it should be very simple in theory. What else do we have in here? Must be like a USB-C cable and some charging stuff. What we got going on in here? What is this? Oh, we've got a micro USB cable. What is this, micro USB? Wow. So in order to charge the transmitter, you have to use micro USB, but the receiver is USB-C. I guess this is a budget set, but come on, you might as well just go USB-C. You might as well. Anyway, okay, we got a little USB adapter so that you can plug it into a computer, it looks like. That's quite decent. What else? I can put something else in here. Ah, yes, you also got the lavalier microphone. So this goes into the transmitter and up to your mouth so you can talk. And I just noticed as well, the transmitter doesn't seem to have a microphone built in. So yeah, it's either lavalier mic or nothing. But that's all cool. Right, so got my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra here. Oh, eBay, I'm gonna check you in a second. Got my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra here. I've got a little case on it at the moment. This fits past the case. That is decent. That is actually decent. The fact that it fits past the case, that is brilliant, fam. I might actually definitely use this. Let's just make a little recording through USB mic. Right. So that is all set up to go and the phone recognizes it as a microphone. I guess the next thing to do is turn on this guy right here. Right, let me get the lavalier microphone out. Right, we are locked in. Okay. It looks like that third button only flashes when I talk, just to show that there's some noise that's being picked up on the microphone, which is cool. There's no buttons on here at all. And can I hold this and do anything? I don't think I can. U10, what's U10 mean? U0, 0, 0, U1, U2, U3. Is this the volume? Should we do a little audio test? Let's do a little audio test. Alright, so guys, this is what the internal microphone sounds like on my Galaxy S21 Ultra. So obviously right now it sounds kind of cool. If I walk across the road, keep recording, babes.
Just don't get run over.
I'll try not to. Right, so if man's across the road, obviously the internal microphone can kind of pick up my voice, but it's not going to pick up my voice that deep. That's where this wireless microphone comes in. Let me just put this wireless microphone in. Okay, there we go. Right, so this is what Man and Man's voice sounds like when I'm using the external microphone, this FULAIM thing. And now man can walk across the road. Yeah, this is how you would use an external wireless microphone. Man's across the road, man's talking normally, and you should be able to hear my voice on a calm thing. So that's just the difference, fam. That's why these wireless microphones are really dope, and you don't really see them very often for mobile photography. So that's why this one is legit. Guys, do you know what? This thing surprised me. It literally surprised me with the sound quality. Like, my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra already has a decent set of internal mics. However, as soon as I connected this thing, the quality was immediately apparent, fam. Like, I was like, wow, this is actually sounding good. And for the price, £70 to get a wireless USB-C microphone for smartphones, dedicated for smartphones, it's a mad thing. It's making the content creation game on smartphones change expeditiously, fam. Like doing your TikToks, your Instagrams, anything you're trying to do, even if you're just trying to do YouTube from your smartphone, and it's Android and it's USB-C, it is now possible, and the setup was extremely easy. Literally, as you saw, plugged the receiver unit into the USB-C port of my phone, and then I just mic'd myself up with the transmitter, and it was all good to go. One thing that was also dope about the transmitter is that I had volume controls. So me being a one-man band like I am, I was able to control my volume without having to run over to the camera. Also, it's a bit strange, it has micro USB charging, yet the receiver unit connects via USB-C, which I don't know why they didn't just go USB-C with everything, but that's what they've done there. Wasn't too sure how to put on the low cut filter, but apparently that option is there too. But yeah, all in all, altogether, I would say it's definitely a decent piece of kit, and it's still at the price point that it's on currently. So yeah, big shout out again to FULAIM for hooking me up with this review copy to have a little look at. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bless.